Here in my caravan. Today I'm gonna test my newly bought gas stove, Trangia Gas-Stove. This stove 3210, Trangia AB, Sweden. So this is Sweden made. Using this butane gas, 450 gram. And then later I'm gonna try to connect an ISO cable to my car stereo that I have removed from one of my cars. So today will be linssoppa. Don't know what you call lins in that is in English, but it's a kind of soup of flavor, onions, beans, and so on, carrots, and some stuff. So I just fired up the flame. You can regulate it here. Now I'm gonna do the soup. So I put the flame on low and I put the soup there. There you see the linses. Stir it. It's Weight Watchers soup. So hopefully pretty decent and healthy. For you guys that don't know the Trangia, it normally comes with this, where you use some kind of a liquor, red rödsprit we say in Sweden, red liquor, I guess you say that, booze, red booze, and then you adjust the flame by doing this. But it's a hassle, you know. If you're boiling potatoes, you want the boiling to be right, and you have to experiment getting this right. And if you put it on high flame, this will empty even though you fill it up all the way if you're boiling potatoes, since they take so long to do. And then you have other accessories, you know. You can lift things like this. You can change the part there, so you can have other cups, and this is for doing coffee. Yeah, you have a pan size here, and you can pretty much fit everything into a bag that comes with this Trangia kit. So everything is very compact. This is if you're doing spaghetti, you wanna drop some discharge the water and so on. This is a dual frying pan. So basically you push up the internal there, and then you can fry. Not fry, but yeah, I think you say that in English, sorry. What I'm showing here is the Trangia 25-1. And this is the bag it comes with. So pretty compact. But as I said, the gas part is extra, and then it makes it much easier to cook and so on. You just regulate it. I'm doing this on slow, but it's getting hot now, starting to make some hot fumes. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. I need those subscribers, man. I'm doing this. I need to get the subscribers. I have so few. That's because it's not very good content, perhaps. Yes. Anyway, thanks. Another benefit using a gas stove. You see here, I've used this recently to cook with, and no dust. This one is using the red sprit, the red liquor, and as you see, it's full of dust. And when you put this on the table, you get dots and crap all over the place. So there you have it, the Trangia gas stove. No dust, easy to regulate. Yeah, works like a charm.